Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have, it's a pretty large collection of miniature American Girl dolls and, actually McDonald's, McDonald's hamburger. They actually had American Girl dolls, little bitty, in their Happy Meals at a time, and I have a collection of those. Recently, Karen from Starts and Stitches invited me to do a collab where we made outfits for Josefina. It's a pattern, it's a pattern set that has 4 outfits for the historical dolls. I loved it. We are going to do that again, and I just can't stop. I absolutely love making those. Well, I like miniature dolls, miniature AG, to stand next to my dolls on display when I make them an outfit they're going to stay in. So I went and looked for Felicity. Actually, I went and looked for Josefina, of which I found, isn't she pretty? She's really nice. I'm going to get that hair washed. And I can't decide if I'm going to leave it down or braided, but boy, that hair is nice. And while I was at it, I looked at Felicity, and there were these 3 together. I couldn't believe it. Look at their hair. Every one of them has nice hair. Every one of them. Every one of them is nice and tight and right. And this one, I want to show you the hair because I couldn't believe it. This one even has the little purple dress. Now, they don't have shoes. That's not a problem. Darren makes shoes for most of my dolls. Oh, that didn't snap. Then they snap on their feet. And they snap on their feet. That one's not snapping.
You need a shoehorn.
Yeah, I do. But it goes on from the little toe over, and there you go. When you go in with Darren's shoes from the little toe over, they snap on, they stay on. There we go. These are brand new, so they were a little tighter. And they stay on. These were made without socks. He also made a set for me for this particular doll line with socks. So that's kind of fun too. And we got them in several colors. I am a spoiled girl. Even Cinderella glass slipper color. Yeah. And then a long time ago, when I first got my little American Girls, he made this little stand for them. You hang that on the wall and you put your little girls across it. I'm going to need about, I don't know, 14 more of these. I thought that was really cute, though. I really like it. And recently, he has started making little stands for them, which I absolutely love, absolutely love. And so I'm having a lot of fun with the, that head's a little loose, but you know what? I can forgive that. That head's a little loose, but everything else is tight. And you know what? That hair, ooh. I am having so much fun with the American Girl dolls in both sizes. And, well, I'll be pulling out the welly wisher soon.
I was wondering when that was coming back
and
from.
I bought any American Girl dolls new in the box from the store? I don't think so. All of mine are pre-loved, and I have a very large collection of both, actually, the miniature and the 18-inch girls and the welly wishers. Thank you for watching. Let me know, do you have any of these darling little American Girl dolls? Some of them, the newer ones, have a plastic body. And I like those too. All of these girls have the cloth. Thank you for watching. If you have not seen our pattern collab, you're going to want to take a look. We did Josefina. We do 4 or 5 outfits. Absolutely gorgeous. And Karen is such a wonderful seamstress. She is incredible. So go by Starts and Stitches, who got me started on all this again, and watch her video too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, leave that comment. Do you have any of this size American Girl dolls? Please subscribe and like the video. I went to put things away. I put little purple shoes on her with this dress, and look at this. I was pleasantly surprised. Look at this. She has her little chemise on underneath. So I didn't just get one outfit. I got a full outfit and her little, well, not and her chemise, but her little chemise underneath. How darling is that? And look at this. All three still have their original bows. Just really. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much I paid too. I paid $7 for three plus $6 shipping.